Hey traders, it's Steve from the Stock Index Trading Room, and in this this is a recap from our webinar that we had on Wednesday of this week, the 15th. Some of y'all were there. Some of you have watched the recording. That's recording link is attached to the email that came out with this. But what we're going to do is we're just going to show you the 16th and 17th, Thursday and Friday, what happened with this idea and this concept. That's going to be real brief, real quick. We are going to make it legal. So here's our chart. This is the Thursday, the 16th. The market's opened over in here somewhere. Our red line is structure resistance, and when the price action taps against that, that reversal bar is the entry. We're green, that reversal bar is the entry. We have plenty. This reversal bar is the entry. All of our brilliant indicators, as you can see, I've minimized those because we're not going to use those for this. This is the basic approach that we use in the room now. Okay. This took over a year to develop this system. And that's with both finding, what's the most reliable support and resistance areas, and then what are the best entries for that. It looks pretty simple, and it is, but it's after many hundreds of hours of research and testing and trading to bring this to our members. So support, buy it against support, sell it against resistance. We have most of y'all have seen this. Smart trade markers, and it's going to recap however you want. We're going to show 1.2 points, 5 points, because some people want to scalp quickly. Some people will okay to hold it for 2. Some people want to hold for more profit, less risk overall. Well, let's take this out of the way. And we're continuously testing these things so we can bring the very best trading strategies to our members. So we're going to sell that. This enters on the completion of this bar right here. Okay. If we bring that up, now we'll show you it's marked 1 trade for 1 point. Okay. Now we're going to buy this and we're going to sell this. This is real easy to see. People say, God, I can learn that in 5 or 10 seconds. And the answer is you can. You absolutely can. Okay, yeah, we're good, right? We're still good. That was it. That was it for Thursday. Now, Friday was a pretty nasty day. You look and this is like 9:30, 2.5 hours right in here, okay? So the market opens here. If I wanted to trick you, I would put one there, but y'all are smarter than that, I think. So we're not going to do that, okay? When it's green and we tap or trap the line, we're in the trade. We're already in this one. I'm not going to double mark that. That would be misleading, right? So we have a red one here, right? Pretty easy to spot, eh? And then we have a trade that didn't start in our favor. And in 2 days, you would expect to have one, right? In 2 days, you would expect to have at least one trade that didn't go in your favor, right? So 10 trades, 9 winners, 1 that didn't go. 1 point. As we expand this, we look 88 for 1, 88 for 2, and 75 for 5. And, really nice profit. We're 400% more likely to profit than not. If we trade this way, you can trade this way. You can trade all in, all out for 1, 2, whatever works for you in your situation. Traders are individuals. and they're going to look for things that work better for their situation. We don't believe everyone's going to trade exactly the same. In fact, we know that because the market goes up and down. So everyone's not doing the same thing. So basically for these 2 days after commissions, there was about $1,700 in profit. And, you know, you'd probably look at this and go, if 1 point and 2 point are the same, I probably wouldn't do the 1 point, but that's up to you. Again, all we do for our members is represent facts and then let them create opinions based on that. Okay. So this was just, like I said, the follow-up. Let me pull this back up. It was the follow-up from our May the 15th webinar that you can go and look at this in more detail if you would like. Okay. Let me get this out of the way and slide back over. Contact information, emails, go to StockIndexTradingRoom@gmail. If you want to come and join us, say, look, I can do that. StockIndexTradingRoom.com. Look at that 6-minute video, and there's a nice little discount for you at the end of that. If this makes sense to you, we can't wait to see you in the room and watch you start taking advantage of this. On behalf of World Cup trading champion Rob Mitchell and all the world-class successful members in the Stock Index Trading Room, this is Steve wishing you the very best in your trading career.